Good morning to you guys. Goodness gracious. It's only slightly later than I would normally come out here. Do chores. Only slightly. That's okay, right? You guys don't mind. The animals don't mind. I don't have to let them out of their shelters. They can just come out, start their morning as early as they want. I don't have to worry too much about the predators and stuff because they all get out and there's pigs, and I don't think predators like pigs and stuff. That's a good thing. Let's go do mama babies first. These little babies are getting big. I like how we can see our little green patch along the edge of the fence. Alright, come on, Nora. Sorry, no? Are you not down? You're not down, baby? Hey, Portia. That's our chores for this morning. Today we're gonna go look at our list and see if we can knock some things off, get some things done. Got a few little things that I want to get done while Carrie is here to take care of the boys. So we got our list here that we made yesterday. First thing is shovel in the garden. Check. I gotta go turn off the fence. Gotta be careful out here. What you think, Ollie? Is it good? The reason we've made these trenches is to build up our garden beds and to allow for water drainage when we get heavy rains coming this spring. We get a lot of rain, and I decided to do this for the first time this year, to dig these trenches, and it also builds up our garden beds. We've had chickens, we've had pigs, and last year we also brought in soil and compost mixture from another farm. And now this year I wanted to not have to do that, so I thought, well, this is a good idea to build up the beds and to give us walkways and space for drainage in between the beds so that things don't get too soggy and wet around our plants this spring. So we put these tarps on here because we do get heavy rains during this time of year in January and February, and I don't want any of that good soil to wash away or anything to get too compacted. Goat fencing picked up and set up to block off the barn. Check. Yep. Oh, Nora. Gotta grab the fence. Over here. Yeah.
And it's where we can still see the fish.
So I'm just going up. Might have to help the goats figure out the entrance of our new little fence that we put up. See, we got this entrance. Y'all just come over here. It's right here. You're so close. Yeah, there you go. Come on. There you go. Good girl, Viola. You lead the way. See? Still open. Turn compost. Haven't gotten to yet. Checking and tightening perimeter fence. Didn't get to all that. Did do some clearing around the fence area. Some. Clean the chick brooder. No. Get a file to sharpen the chainsaw. Get the incubator. No. Clip chicken feathers. No. Build pallet shelter. No. Cover garden with tarps. Yes. Check. And clear some brush along the fence. So I did some of that. But that's 3 major things I got done today. The shoveling took the longest, so that's a big one. I'm super glad I got that done and super excited to start planting all the seeds. Do our water. Let's do this.